I'm sure that you already saw all the YouTube videos showing how much other guys earn from the TikTok creativity program. But you have one issue. You don't live in a country that is eligible for this, so you can't make any kind of money from your videos. Today is the lucky day for you, because I'm going to show you with a proof at the end of the video how you can join the TikTok creativity program and start earning money. Step 1. Uninstall completely the TikTok app from your phone. Step 2. Change your phone language to the country that you want to target. If you wish to target French people, set your phone in French. Step 3. Turn off location services on your phone and change your phone region to the language you are targeting. Step 4. The most important thing that everyone knows, you should use a VPN. I don't have any specific VPN that you can use. You are free to choose whatever you want. Step 5. Connect to the VPN to the country that you want to target and remove the SIM card from your phone. It's not a must to buy also a SIM card from the country that you wish to target, but if you want to avoid any restrictions, feel free to purchase a eSIM. Begin by launching TikTok and navigating through it. Your focus should be on identifying whether any videos from your country surface in the For You section, or if the initial comments under these videos are in your native language. For instance, as a French user, you might randomly select a video in the For You section and scrutinize the first few comments to check if they are in French. If they aren't, that's a positive sign, indicating that everything is functioning correctly. However, if you notice that the videos or comments are linked to your country, continue to browse. Should the issue persist, it may be beneficial to acquire a SIM card from the desired target country. Avoid linking your account with a phone number from your country. However, if you've already done so, simply unlink it and keep just your email address. That's all. I have promised you that I will also give you proofs at the end of the video. Thank you for paying attention to all the video. Here is the screenshot before following my instructions. Here is the screenshot after following my instructions. As you can see, I have the option to join the TikTok creativity program, despite living in a country where it is not accepted.